my hands in worship. You've been faithful through the years, through the fire, through the valley. You have wiped away my tears. I have seen your mighty hand guiding me through.
Guys, how are you doing? Have you missed me, guys? I've missed you so right back. So guys, welcome to yet another video on this YouTube channel. And guys, there's a little win that we have made today. And guys, as you can see beside me, there's something that I want us to unbox with you guys. So come, let's unbox. So guys, let's unbox it. So guys, guess up in the comment section, what do you think it could be? And guys, in 3, 2, 1, it's a, let me show you guys, it's a blood drive. Oh my goodness, guys, it's been God. Like nowadays, God has watched me and He has said, it's your time now to shine. Like I feel like God people Zeroti blood drive. And guys, before I bought it, I went to ChatGPT and he said it's good. So it's 300. Guys, look at it. It's 300. So let's unbox it together. Mm. Oh my goodness. So it comes with this one and this one. And this is how it's looking. So sharp. Oh my goodness. And guys, I guess you have seen I'm not the hair that I was with and did it just because I was feeling so uncomfortable with it. So guys, the nini, let's see. It's too big. So let's test it. Guys, as I told you, let's test it. It's Zerati 300 watts, I guess, and it's super black. It's made in Italy technology. But guys, I'm hoping it will serve me purpose. Oh my goodness, I'm hoping so. So let's fix it and then we try it, guys. But I'm gonna try it here, guys. There's such shortage of, so you see. So let's try it, you guys. Oh my goodness, like lighting was so.
Oh yeah, hey. Lord, I lift my hands in worship. You've been faithful through the years, through the fire, through the valley. You have wiped.
How are you doing? My name is Lifestyle with Silver 2, guys. And of course, if you are seeing me for the very first time, welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, and join the family. So guys, today I'm gonna be shooting a video for you guys. And guys, in this channel, we usually start with the fit of the day. Let me show you. I'm loving this fit for nowadays. Like I say, that's how I'm looking. Hey, looking so hot. So guys, welcome to my videos. And guys, I'm trying to upgrade, like literally to upgrade my camera. So guys, my camera is so good. So guys, I just wanted to show you here. So come. So so guys, so yesterday I went and restocked some eggs. As you can see, I have a tray of eggs, and I just want to show you guys. Last on Tuesday we went for shopping. I just want to show you the shopping that we did because it is in the fridge. So that the reason as to why I'm showing you guys the shopping is because I want us to clean the fridge together and arrange our cabinets together. So guys, right now it's actually Saturday 9 p.m. in the 9 p.m. on Friday. So guys, let me just come. I just want to show you whatever we got. We got all this with milk, choma sauce. That's where it's written. Two predators, you guys. 2 kgs of sugar, 1 loaf of bread. These are milk. Milk are a lot, guys. And we bought this yogurt for my baby. And I just soaked my tomatoes. Yeah, that's what we do. So guys, I wanted us to clean the fridge, but before that, let me show you guys the shopping in a Molango.
Oh yeah, Lord, I lift my hands in worship. You've been faithful through the years, through the fire, through the valley. You have wiped away my tears. I have seen your mighty hand guiding me through every storm, every breath, every moment. It's your grace that kept me strong. You have been good to me. You have been good to me. I have a reason. I have a reason. I have a reason to give you praise. You have been good to me. You have been good to me. All of my days I will proclaim you are good. When I call, you heard my cry, lifted me and gave me peace. All my doubts you turned to triumph. Now my heart is filled with joy. Through the highs and through the lows, through the seasons only you know. Still my heart will sing this song. Lord, you are fire through the valley. You have wiped away my tears. I have seen your might